Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to discover Devialet Gemini 2. To open the box, start by laying it down in flat position. Then, 1. Gently slide the top cover from the base. 2. Remove the wireless charging case with the earbuds from the packaging. 3. Remove the documentation sleeve with the user manual. To start using Devialet Gemini 2, activate the Bluetooth on your device, head to Settings, Bluetooth and tap it on. Then, open the case with your earbuds inside and press the button on the back of the case for 3 seconds until a blinking white light appears. And select Devialet Gemini 2. We will now help you choose the best ear tip size to ensure a good fit. Place the earbuds inside your ears, rotate each unit to perfectly fit your ear canal and adjust the position until it fits comfortably. If the fit doesn't feel right, try another ear tip size. Pull on the ear tip to remove it from the earbud, push to attach another size on the earbud. You may have to use a different ear tip size for each ear. M size are mounted on the earbuds by default. The ideal fit should feel natural, not too stiff nor too loose. When placing and rotating the earbuds, make sure to not position them too vertically or on the wrong side. Now let's talk about controls when using Devialet Gemini 2 for the first time. 1. Press to play or pause. 2. Press and hold to switch between adaptive noise cancellation and transparency mode. 3. Double press on the left earbud for previous track or right earbud for next track. 4. Double press and hold on the left earbud to decrease volume or right earbud to increase volume. 5. When receiving a phone call, double press to answer or press and hold to reject. When on a phone call, double press to hang up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have a great time using Devialet Gemini 2.